Welcome to Wizard Workshops and the Magic Mind Lounge. I was just listening to a video which enthused about how if you've got an intellectual property or an artistic property, that you can use artificial intelligence to break it down, mash it up, and remix it and make multiple products out of one single product. And I thought, there's something a bit depressing about this. And I thought, yes, the thing is that a gestalt, or a limited whole, a unified whole, is the very essence of the aesthetic experience of beauty, because we see something as a limited whole, as Wittgenstein said, that to see the world as a limited whole, it is this that is the mystical. So I have a property here. It's The Girl and the Guardian, which, The Apples of Eden, and The Girl and the Guardian is volume 1. It's a massive, complex world that I've been exploring, Tolkien would say, exploring something that actually seemed to be there just to explore after a while. And indeed, the Republic of Nine Worlds did seem to actually exist when I was meditating on it in the darkened basement of my brother's greenstone pictures, and he was my generous patron as I explored this. It grew in the telling, and it was going to be a short film. He said, write the book, and then I said, look, it's turning into 2 books, and then it was 3. There's actually 4 volumes about of this length, nearly this length. This one is the complete, unabridged and uncondensed Girl and the Guardian. This one here is from 200,000 down to 70,000 words, but it's got 70 illustrations. And that has been quite a journey. And AI could no doubt break this up into 1,000,000 pieces and suggest an ebook or a book or even a film for any one of the places that they visit in this world, any one of the storylines. So, and yet, something in me says, well, of the making of many books or films or properties, there is no end, but much study, much breaking down into parts, much mix-up, as they call it, a remix, and a mash-up. There's no end to it, and AI could do it all, but it's extremely reductionist, and in the end, we have to get back to gestalt. To be happy, we need to say, right, whoops, here is a complex whole. It's called Wizard Workshops and Dream Space and the Magic Mind Lounge, and AI could have a field day and break it into 1,000,000 tiny pieces and sell each and every one of them. The trouble is, AI is doing it for everyone and everything, and we could end up with just fragments everywhere and no unified human beings to actually appreciate any of them. Or these unified, here I am in my convex mirror. In fact, a healthy human being will cry out for a unified whole, a complex, beautiful, rich, unified whole. So that's what I'm mostly going to focus on. The other way, there lies madness. And as Gandalf said, he who breaks a thing to find out how it's made has left the path of wisdom. And I would say, he who just engages AI to break apart a property in order to remix it into multiple fragments and flog them all off separately has also left the path of wisdom. So with that, I'll probably sign out. I just love to share some of the quirky things I've got here in my Magic Mind Lounge.